Integrating job postings with Top Echelon's job board can streamline your recruiting process, making it easier for you to reach a wider pool of candidates and manage your job listings. If you're new to the platform and wondering how to get your postings on the job board, you're in the right place. In this quick guide, I'll show you exactly how to integrate your job postings with Top Echelon's job board, step by step, and how you can start using it for free with some exclusive bonuses. Before diving in, if you're looking to test out Top Echelon for yourself, we have an exclusive offer for you to try it for free. Check the first link in the description below. Stick around to the end, and I'll also tell you about a special extended trial that could give you even more time to explore. Now, let's get started. When you first log into Top Echelon, you'll want to make sure your account is set up correctly. If you're new to the platform, go ahead and create your profile. Once you've done that, navigate to your dashboard. There, you should see an option to post a job, typically located in the main navigation menu. When you click to create a job posting, you'll enter all the relevant details like job title, location, and job description. Here's a pro tip. Be specific with your job descriptions. Top Echelon allows detailed posts, so make sure to utilize this feature. The more thorough your job post, the more likely you are to attract quality candidates. Next, you'll want to link your job posting to the job board. This is where integration comes in. The process is usually very simple. Within the job creation screen, there's an option to share your job posting to the job board. Make sure this box is checked, and it will automatically distribute your job listing across Top Echelon's network. What makes Top Echelon stand out is how easily it connects with job boards. By leveraging their network, you're able to ensure your job is posted in front of the right eyes without manually submitting it to every platform individually. This feature saves a lot of time, especially if you manage multiple postings. But that's not all. Once your job is posted, you can also track its performance. In your Top Echelon dashboard, you'll get metrics on how your posting is performing, views, applications, and other data that can help you adjust your approach in real time. This feedback loop is invaluable for optimizing your job postings for success. And here's a bonus. Top Echelon offers automated resume matching. This means that when candidates apply to your job, their resumes are automatically compared to the job description. If you have the right criteria set up, the system will suggest the most qualified candidates. It's a fantastic way to cut down on the time you spend sorting through applications and focusing on those who are the best fit for your roles. For those of you who may be wondering about customization, Top Echelon offers some flexibility. You can customize your job postings to fit your specific needs. For example, you can add additional screening questions or specify the types of resumes you want to see. Customization ensures you get the most out of every job posting. Finally, remember that this whole process can be done for free. You don't have to commit right away. Use the link below to get access to Top Echelon's free trial with our exclusive bonuses, so you can explore how the platform works for you without any risks. To wrap things up, integrating your job postings with Top Echelon's job board is straightforward and efficient. From setting up your profile to getting your listings in front of the right candidates, Top Echelon makes the process seamless. Plus, with the additional features like automated resume matching, you're not just posting jobs, you're enhancing your recruitment strategy. Don't forget to click the first link in the description for your exclusive free trial and extended access. Whether you're new to recruitment or looking for a better way to streamline your hiring process, Top Echelon is an essential tool to consider. That's all for today's quick guide. Thanks for watching and good luck with your recruiting.